how you make snow at home. You just crush up some ice and you turn on a blender. And this is the blender creating the ice from scratch. And of course I probably should turn that off. And I will show you the finished snow. I will take this water and... No! My snow! No! Dang it! And that's how you ruin snow. That's how you ruin homemade snow. Now let's do that again. Fill the pitcher. Now I really wish I had a selfie stick for this, but I'm not really. I'm trying to rely on what I have, which is my hand. Fill the pitcher about to right there. Actually, pour some of that out. And that should be a good bit of, that should be enough water to actually do it. And then so that you can actually see the water, let's pull the blender this way, and let's get in this ice cube tray. Actually, let's just go ahead and pour some in. Oh, I've got something that could probably help. A mighty ice scooper. Not really, but you could call it a mighty, oops. And that's how you fail at How To Basic Science Experiment. I keep dropping ice because I'm a dunderhead and don't know what I'm doing. Now I'll show you again how to make snow at home. This is how to make snow at home. The trilogy, and I'm gonna keep just sticking ice in this. Oh, dang it! In my little gray blender over there, which, of course, needs no explanation. I'll just call it the mighty gray blender. Oh, I just found a name here. It's called a Black & Decker blender. And let's fire it up again. This is going to continue. Let's go ahead and press number 3. And as you see, the snow is being created by the ice being shredded. And I have to keep my hand there just to keep the blender from pushing the lid off, because I see how it's going to be. It's going to be very stubborn. And let's try again with this stupid snow nonsense. Let's try to just empty the water. No! Well, that didn't go out. That didn't turn out very well. Look at the mess in my sink. Looks like our ice cube tray is getting pretty empty, so we might as well empty the rest of that ice and then stick this little contraption back in the freezer. One more time with How To Basic Snow, or how to make homemade snow. This is very easy, and it takes a little bit of time to get it prepared, and all you have to do is pop it on the blender base. Now if you have a blender at home, great, you can do this. If you don't have a blender, I recommend getting one because this is a very awesome experiment. And a blender would be very useful for this experiment. And it's quite fun. Where's my little lid that I can use? And let's try this again because I frickin' screwed up the last time. Fire it up. Make sure that the heat is set to high, and there it goes. This is how to basic snow, or how to make snow. And this time, I'm not going to be so stupid. It looks like, looks like we got a major leak. Off. That was bad. Looks like we got a bunch of water in here. Let's try to hold the lid this time. Now that looks like oh yeah, success. Almost. Uh-oh, the lid's trying to come off. We just need to drain the rest of that water out. And looks like we how to made snow. We made snow. Now share your friends this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you next time on how to snow, or how to basic snow, or how to whatever. And have a good one. Goodbye. See you on the next video. Actually, real quick before I go, I want to show you how this snow turned out. Pretty cool. And it actually is very good. Stick in water. Like this. It makes a very good ice clump. And it's very good for, and well, it melts, but it's very good for, ooh, that's really cold. It's very good for making snowballs. As you can see, not really a good snowball, but it'll work. There's my little frozen snowball. There it is, dripping off water. Need to make sure it's so cold. So now that was a little bit of a weird reaction, and it looks like I'm getting cold burnt. Hopefully I don't get freaking frostbite from that. Let's put our little snowball into this cup. Oh, too much. And that's how to make snow the easy way. Now, if I wanted to show you how to make snow the hard way, this is how to basic. First, stick the, whoa, that was almost a fail, and push down the lever, and that'll take a couple hours. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. This has been How to Make Snow, Science Edition. If you liked the video, slap a thumbs up on that video. If you didn't like it, go ahead and put a thumbs down. I don't really care. And there's a bowl of corn. I don't know why I'm showing food, because this is not Instagram. Some stupid people on Instagram always frickin' seem to show off their food crap. Well, let's go ahead and get this snow a little more separated. Now that is how you perfectly separate little ice crystals from themselves. This is pretty awesome. This blender has a very high-powered motor. Now let me show you a water tornado. power that off. And I'm going to do something even cooler, though, than making snow. I'm going to show you something really awesome. Just going to fill the pitcher till it's about, well, I would say, pretty full. And, of course, it's recording audio, too. My phone is. And, of course, I'm going to probably have to pour some of that water out. So I'll show, so, just in case people like water being dumped out of something, there you go. Now, let's try to align this dumb, stupid blender thing on the base. And pop the lid on. And let's show you some high-powered awesomeness. There's what a water tornado or a whirlpool would look like if it was going at about, I don't know how many RPM that is, but that looks freaking cool. Let's try it on low. Whoa! That motor has a very good speed control. It's actually very powerful. And it seems like the water is very spinny. It's creating a very strong cyclone, just like a vacuum cleaner, because of the blade creating centrifugal force, and the action of the blade is creating a very warm motor, and probably not a very happy blender. Now this takes a couple seconds for it to actually power up. Oh. Okay. This is a cyclone if it were on pulse many times. Now it's getting ready to spin up. This is very cool looking. This is awesome. This looks very interesting. The way this thing is spinning like crazy. Whoa! Speed 3. Seems like that's speed. Oh, and it's done. Oh, that's the highest power level. Now, each one of these cycles has a different intense power level that it can get to. And as the blender runs, it will increase speed. Now this one's a little bit different because it has the speed slowly increases until it gets to the highest possible speed. Until it gets the highest possible power. And it's done. Let's power this up and see how cool that looks. Now that almost looks like a water tornado. Now the motor's still running at a very... If you look, this is very powerful, and I probably should stop now. So, thanks for watching. Let's let this finish up. This looks like it's about ready to be done. Let's let this spin finish up. And it's done. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Smack that thumbs up. Make sure to turn on post notifications. And see you later, everyone. On cool stuff that is scientific. Goodbye. See you next time. And just make sure to subscribe. If everyone liked the video, make sure to keep watching, and see you next time on cool science stuff that's educational and also awesome. Oh, what is that I hear? Looks like some ice is about ready to drop into this machine. Okay, that's enough rambling on. Goodbye.